Welcome back, Bit Squad. Today, we're diving into a topic that stirs up a lot of conversation. The relationship between XRP and the poor man's XRP, Bitcoin. I kid. These two cryptocurrencies might seem like they're on opposite ends of the spectrum, but they play pivotal roles in the crypto ecosystem. By the end of this video, you're going to understand the key differences, their unique use cases, and where they could be heading together in the future. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoy home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your humble host, the BitBoy. If you like Bitcoin and XRP content you can't get anywhere else, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. First, let's establish what XRP and Bitcoin are and how they differ. Bitcoin was the original cryptocurrency created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, is decentralized, trustless, and functions as a store of value, and also a lot of people consider it digital gold. Its purpose? To disrupt traditional finance by offering an alternative to fiat currencies. XRP, on the other hand, is a payment-oriented digital asset created by Ripple Labs in 2012. It was designed to solve inefficiencies in the global financial system, specifically in cross-border payments. XRP focuses on speed, scalability, and cost-effectiveness for institutional use. Think of Bitcoin as the foundation of the crypto world. Its flagship XRP, though, is the high-speed train connecting financial institutions all across the globe. Bitcoin emerged from the ashes of the 2008 financial crisis, offering a decentralized solution to broken banking systems. XRP, meanwhile, was born out of Ripple's vision to integrate blockchain into the existing financial infrastructure. Both have had their ups and their downs, but their path couldn't be more different. So let's get technical. What sets Bitcoin and XRP apart on a technological level? First, Bitcoin's blockchain. You see, it uses proof of work, or POW, which is a consensus mechanism where miners validate transactions by solving complex equations, making it secure but slow. The network processes around 7 transactions per second. You got the XRP ledger, XRPL. See, XRP uses a consensus protocol, which is faster and more energy efficient. This system allows the network to process 1,500 transactions per second, making it far more scalable than Bitcoin. Are you looking for a reliable crypto exchange with low fees and high security? The search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Join Phemex using my affiliate link to get up to an $8,800 trading bonus right now. Experience top-notch trading features, low fees, and strong security. Click the link in the description to get started today. Now, here's a key point. XRP's speed and low cost make it ideal for institutional use, like setting cross-border payments. Bitcoin, on the other hand, prioritizes decentralization and security over speed. The difference in consensus mechanisms, well, it's critical. Bitcoin's POW consensus mechanism makes it robust but resource intensive. XRP's consensus protocol, it's lightweight, meaning faster confirmation times and lower energy consumption. And as energy becomes a bigger and bigger narrative, that's super important. But each Bitcoin and XRP serves its purpose, but their purposes highlight their contrasting approaches. Bitcoin focuses on security while XRP emphasizes efficiency. Now, how do XRP and Bitcoin interact in the market? Well, historically, the two have shown moments of price correlation, particularly during market-wide bull runs. However, their price movements often diverge due to unique factors. Of course, you have Bitcoin's price drivers. Bitcoin's price is heavily influenced by macroeconomic factors like inflation, institutional adoption, and regulatory clarity. Whereas the drivers of XRP's price, they're more sensitive to legal developments like the SEC lawsuit, partnerships with financial institutions, and progress in the adoption of RippleNet, their main product. Now, we've seen XRP make massive gains against Bitcoin in the past, like during the 2017 bull run. But during the last bull market, the SEC case held XRP back. That's why I believe XRP's potential to outperform Bitcoin in the next cycle is stronger than ever. Looking ahead, XRP's focus on institutional use could lead to a unique trajectory, diverging further from Bitcoin's digital gold narrative. However, both can thrive in their respective lanes. Bitcoin is a store of value, XRP is the backbone of digital banking. Now, let's talk about what this means for you as an investor. So, as a Bitcoin investor or a potential Bitcoin investor, you have to look at its track record. It's a proven asset with solid performance. And while the returns may not be as explosive as they were in the early days, Bitcoin remains a relatively safer choice in crypto. Then you have XRP. XRP offers a high risk, high reward scenario. Its use case in global finance, it is compelling, but regulatory hurdles have added uncertainty that may be cleared up soon. That said, the recent SEC ruling that has tilted the odds in XRP's favor. All that being said, of course, all recent rulings in the XRP SEC lawsuit have really come down in XRP's favor and in the favor of investors. So for investors, if you're potentially looking at XRP, it comes down to your goals and your risk tolerance. Are you looking for stability and long-term growth? Well, if that's the case, Bitcoin might be your pick. If you're seeking high growth opportunities, a lot of X's, specific use cases, XRP is worth considering. To wrap it up, Bitcoin and XRP represent two sides of the crypto revolution. Bitcoin is the anchor of the market, a digital fortress. XRP is the bridge connecting the traditional financial world here to blockchain. Looking ahead, I see Bitcoin maintaining its role as a store of value, while XRP is going to gain traction as it becomes the go-to asset for cross-border payments and CBDC integration. With RippleNet, on-demand liquidity, and global partnerships in play, XRP is perfectly positioned to redefine banking as we know it. But remember, Bit Squad, this is not financial advice. Do your own research and make decisions based off of your goals and your risk tolerance. Let me know down below in the comments, are you Team Bitcoin, Team XRP, or Team both, or Team neither? Let me know. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.